Well guys, in this step, I'm trying to strip the various layers of paint, undercoating, and a bunch of other stuff that was sprayed on this engine bay. This way I can finish welding on actual clean metal and do the body work and body filler. So I ended up buying, there are no good paint removers. If so, you know, comment and leave a link, anything. It's the best I can find. 80 bucks for this gallon. They say 15 minutes, but I've been noticing and reading online that the trick is that they don't make them as good as the old stuff, but you have to take some plastic and try to like keep the fumes in and then peel the plastic in 15 minutes or 20, and it should, you know, look decently enough for you to scrape it off or, you know, use a wire brush. So what's up, guys? As you can tell in the video, if you got this far, I'm working on shaving my engine bay and, you know, removing all the layers of undercoating, protective coating, rust coating, primer. I think this car was red once upon a time 40 years ago. Then they painted it blue. I'm not too sure, but it's a lot of layers. This process is very time consuming, as you know, I have to use the paint stripper, and that's very time consuming in itself. I have to, you know, coat it, scrape it, then coat it again. Order this off of Amazon, about 10 bucks. 50 pieces of 40 grit for my electric orbital sander. So I will be cutting these videos a bit short. I will be recording the process for those who want to see and making a time lapse, but just so you know, guys, this is a lot of work. But stay tuned. I'm definitely ready engine wise. You know, I would want to finish the engine bay enough to do the body work that I need to do on the engine bay. This way, when I drop the actual frame back on the shell, I can just work strictly on the body and the wiring harness. Hopefully, wishful thinking, my next goal is to, once I get the body work, the engine bay body work, because I still have the rest of the car to do, but once I get the engine bay cleaned and done, my wishful thinking is to lower the body and start to plug and play on my universal wiring harness. I would like to at least crank the motor under the power of the motor and, you know, wiring. But, you know, these projects are never ending. So yeah, guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna most likely cut the video short here.